Pretty confusing end to the trading day. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Tuesday. Today's October 15th, and let's go ahead and break down the market. So as of right now, from the start of the morning, right, we saw the overall NASDAQ market hit highs of 371.28 on QQQ, but then aggressively began to pull on back and is now pretty much just trading sideways. We're not really seeing much progress on the downside. We're still holding above the moving average, which is still showing strong signs of a support, but we're also not showing much progress above the EMA. So right now it's kind of just like this back and forth battle as the market continues to consolidate. Moments like this, again, just constantly remind me, if I try to force a position, hoping for something to happen, hoping for the market to go up or hoping for the market to go down, why hope when you can simply set alerts and wait for proper confirmation? So again, the idea of staying cash almost makes too much sense. Or again, it's just what we're working with today. As of right now, one thing that we want to let you guys know is that tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, I don't have to host this live stream. Honestly, I don't even really want to, because we all know that on Thursday, it's the CPI data report. But tomorrow, Wednesday, October 11th, it's the PPI data report, which is also pretty important. For those that are unaware, PPI is the inflation on the producing side of things. And based off of market expectation, will determine if the market goes up or if the market goes down, based off of what is actually reported. The reason that this is so significant is, again, because when PPI is reported, the producer price index report is almost viewed as a forecast for up and coming maybe CPI data report, because whatever gets passed from the producers gets passed down to the consumer, right? So if we see that inflation is going up for the producers month over month, then we can expect that, the months that follow, that cost will be, expensed and passed down to the consumers. It's a very simple process, but again, it's really important to pay attention to. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of it. So as of right now, overall NASDAQ market pretty much just trading sideways. I don't know if you guys have been feeling like this, but other than these like random rips up, then when the market begins to trade sideways, it really gets us to sit on our hands. And please let me know down in the comment section, or either feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, which is the first link down below. I often find myself almost just wanting to force a position because, it's bound to either go up or to go down, but I have to constantly remind myself because of one of my trading rules for the month of October, and that's to not enter a position if direction is not clear. Obviously, we want to continue to trade as right? It's something that is very exciting, but we want to remind ourselves that it's not just because we want to that we should, but when it makes the most sense. And again, that's the whole idea of being structured and disciplined when it comes down to the overall market. So wanted to make sure that I kept you guys up to date. We also have FOMC minutes tomorrow at 2 p.m. And that is something that you guys should be paying attention to, because the market will react in either a positive or negative way based off of what is reported. According to the last Fed meeting, if I remember correctly, Jerome Powell said that 12 of the members of the Federal Reserve supported the case for another interest rate hike by the end of 2023, and that 7 did not support it. So it's going to be interesting to see what is actually released within this report, if it meets that expectation. But as of right now, according to the Fed Rate Monitor tool, there is really less than a 10% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates on the next FOMC meeting 3 weeks from now. So we will see if that sentiment begins to change based off of what is reported tomorrow, especially on Thursday and the days that follow from that CPI data report. So again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram. And also don't forget, I do trade live every single morning. I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live session. And that's that second link in the description down below. Don't forget to enter our M4 giveaway, which again, right now is prize week, which means every order gets a prize. If you want to learn more about that, it's going to be the fourth link in the description down below. And I want to remind you, our previous GTR giveaway winner walked away with $50,000 cash just by buying a license plate frame and walking away with $50,000. So appreciate your time. Hope that you earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.